Superfoods. Nowadays, everyone has heard of the term superfoods, but what is it actually? One article or TV program says it's a bloated commercial story, while another says it can improve health and life. Both have some truth. If you look at the development of food over the last 100 years, you will see that many factors, especially in matters of agriculture, have dramatically decreased the vitamins, minerals, and proteins and other nutrients found in our plants that we eat. Other factors that deteriorate the food quality are long storage times, transport, as well as radiation in order to create a longer shelf life. The effects of new agricultural methods that use fertilizers that exhaust soil limit the amount of minerals that plants can absorb, and the minerals in fertilizers aim to increase just and only the plant's growth rate. Pesticides add poison to the plant, and residues are creating illnesses. The body needs about 64 minerals to remain healthy, but most people today only get a small part of that. Even if we eat a lot of fruit and vegetables, we do not get all the minerals we need, because they are not in the soil, so they cannot be in the plants. The shortage of minerals is even worse when we eat mainly ready-prepared supermarket foods. The same is true for vitamins. We do not get enough of them in our current diet. The problem is that there are many parties who have different opinions about this, and most of them have all kinds of mostly financial interests that cause them to refute these claims. However, many studies show that minerals and vitamins in fruit and vegetables have reduced by 25 to 75% over the last 50 to 70 years. Our mind and body have much more stress and need to process a lot of information, much more than in the past. And we have very busy lives. And our bodies must deal with an abundance of strange chemicals that to a large extent they cannot handle at all, but they can only dispose of. Also, the body has to deal with many types of radiation. This combination ensures that shortages in the body result in illnesses. Oftentimes, these illnesses do not cause us to die because of a medical treatment, but the quality of life decreases drastically because these illnesses will turn into chronic illnesses. Superfoods are the response to this development. The herbs, vegetables, and fruits are grown organically and therefore contain more minerals and vitamins and provide the body with the nutrients that it would otherwise not get. The term superfoods was chosen as a term to contrast the ready-made food in the supermarkets that looks beautiful but have less or even no nutrients at all and contain a lot of harmful substances. Superfoods are often exotic fruits or herbs, but they do not have to be. This term therefore is somewhat confusing. They are just fruits, vegetables and herbs that come from an area where they are produced without chemical fertilizers and are not sprayed with pesticides. These products contain an extraordinary amount of vitamins and certain minerals or antioxidants. Also, some types of fruit and vegetables in the West are superfoods. Fruits like apples, kale, avocados, kiwis, red peppers, sweet potatoes are all superfoods, especially if you buy the organic version. So, I would say superfoods are fruits, vegetables and herbs with a relatively higher nutritional value content, a higher vitamins, minerals and antioxidant and enzyme content. Super in comparison to the ready-made foods and other fruits and vegetables that contain less nutrients. You do not need exotic superfoods to be optimally healthy if you make sure that most important foods consist of a combination of organic fruit and vegetable combination that are grown locally or organic. So if you want to take a supplement, then choose supplements like spirulina, chia seeds, hemp seed, wheatgrass or any other super combination. It can improve your health depending on the condition and the specific needs you have. So if you want to know more about health or supplements, or you want to make a quick and easy step to a much better health, go to the website, and this step to a better health is based on centuries-old Chinese knowledge and experience with health and regeneration. You can find much more information about this on the website newlifedevelopment.co.uk. From there you can send me a mail with questions and I'll be happy to answer them, and or to send you a coupon for a reduced price of the products.